Good morning. Today's reading is from Proverbs 9. Wisdom has built her house. She has hewn out her 7 pillars. She has slaughtered her meat. She has mixed the wine. She has also furnished her table. She has set out her maidens, and she cries out from the highest places in the city. Whoever is simple, let him turn in here. As for him who lacks understanding, she says to him, Come, eat my bread, and drink of the wine I have mixed. Forsake foolishness and live, and go in the way of understanding. He who corrects the scoffer gets shame for himself, and he who rebukes a wicked man only harms himself. Do not correct the scoffer, lest he hate you. Rebuke a wise man, and he will love you. Give instruction to the wise man, and he will be still wiser. Teach a just man, and he will increase in learning. The fear of the Lord is in the beginning of wisdom, and the knowledge of the Holy One is understanding. For by me your days will be multiplied, and the years of life will be added to you. If you are wise for yourself, and if you scoff, you will bear it alone. A foolish woman is clamorous. She is simple and knows nothing. For she sits at the door of her house on a seat by the highest place of the city, to call out to those who pass by, who go straight on their way. Whoever is simple, let him turn in here. And as for him who lacks understanding, she says to him, Stolen water is sweet, and the bread eaten in secret is pleasant. But he does not know that the dead are there, that her guests are in the depths of hell. God bless you. Have a great day.